Hey, hello everyone, Bruno here, and today we are going to talk about local models. We just released a new version of Phi. This is the Phi-4, and the Phi-4 have something which is really amazing. It's a model that a single model will allow you to work with images, text, and audio. It's the first one that I've seen that you can run locally and support this. And by the way, the whole idea of today is a couple of months ago, I created this demo, this repo, where basically I was using a local model. That time was Llama 3.2 Vision to analyze an image, that I have in my clipboard or somewhere and generate the description of the image. I use this a lot when I post stuff in LinkedIn, in Twitter, and more. So, hey, this is kind of nice. And today I want to do the same, but using 5.4. And the whole idea today is that even if it's not supported yet in Olama, Llama 3.2, where we use that one was on Olama, we have here in the family of models, there is a lot of small models and large models, and we have a lot of stuff here in Phi. But if you want to know more in the MD section, I think it's here, yes, in .NET, we created a set of samples where basically you know how to download the model. We are going to use ONNX for the local model, and then how to basically work, a couple of labs with 5.3, 3.5, and also labs for vision, audio, and chat for 5.4. And important, we even have a chat client that basically match the Microsoft Extension AI interfaces. So this is cool because the demo that I built is literally like that. So if you want to take a look at the models here in the labs models, as I said, we have here this one I like a lot, the Zen AI client that basically implements in the ONNX runtime, in the Microsoft ML runtime for ONNX, the interfaces for Microsoft Extension AI. And then in the images samples, this is the ABC of how we work here. First of all, we load the model. Let me switch myself to the right. So first of all, we load the model for the D. So I have my model in D5 model, yada, yada, yada. Then I load an image. I'm going to use a folder of the image. Then I have my system prompt here. I have a user prompt. We go kind of old school where we define everything here with the tag of systems and user image and everything. Then load the model, initialize the tokenizer, and then start the process to analyze the image. So this takes some time. Right now it's working with the CPU. I need to configure my GPU to make it work, but it will analyze the image. In the final application, what we have is very similar. I mean, the application works in this way. This is a console application. I switch for the WinForm to a console application that if you run the console application per se, is going to analyze your clipboard. And if you have an image in your clipboard, it's going to analyze the image. Otherwise, you're going to have an error. You have the chance also here. Let me go here and clear this. You can pass the show parameter to the console application and it's going to show you the configuration. As you can see here, this is all stored in a user settings JSON file. Please do not store keys there. Haven't implemented that, but you have use Olama, use OpenAI, and use local model where you put the path of your local model. Right now, you have use Olama true and local model true. If I can also do something like in example set use Olama and set false. So I'm going to disable the Olama. So you can text here, you can change here the settings, or you can open the file and change the set. So we can see now that the Olama is working and we have the Olama false. We don't want to enable Olama. I'm going to change this later. So if we go here, by the way, this is all super straightforward. The setting implementation is here in the file system, reading and saving settings. Not going to use this, but let's give it a try with a simple image. So if I go here, I have one of the images, it's text image. I have this one, and I'm going to select the image, copy to the clipboard, and let me clear this and run again the application without any parameters. And remember that the ABC is that it's going to find the image in the clipboard, it's going to save the image to a temporary location, and then it's going to use Phi-4 for the analysis. Running on CPU is going to take some time. And here we are, and we have a blue swimming pool surrounded by tall trees and a blue sky behind. It's kind of nice. It works great. Let's switch to another image. I have here, this one with the people running. Control A, Control C. Let's clear this and run the process again. found the image in the clipboard image. Let's run. We have the response and we have a pair of blue and white sneakers walking on a wet surface. Okay, yes, it's kind of nice. You can see that the blue, we have also white somewhere here. It's wet in the bottom. So it's kind of nice and it's working. Olama right now is not supporting the, the Phi-4 multimodal. It's only support Phi-mini, Phi-4 mini. So we are going to get there anytime soon. And hey, if you want to give it a try, once again, let me switch the layout. Once again, take a look at the repo. The repo has everything, already have the new console application and everything else there. So give it a try. I appreciate any feedback, anything else that you want to see. Also, take a look at the cookbook because it has so many things that you can do with Phi-4 right now. And hey, I hope you like it. It was my pleasure. I appreciate the likes, the comments, subscriptions, and more. And see you next one. Goodbye.